this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I am here with another model kit from Moderoid, which came from the Japanese video game, which appears mostly in Japanese computer, and it was released last April 30, 1986, which is made by the computer game programmer or software Square. So this is none other than the Cruise Chaser BLASTY. So I have here the model kit BLASTY, the titular and the protagonist Mecha model from that computer game. So this is BLASTY. To be honest, it's really rare. I had a hard time finding and looking for this kit. And fortunately, as I browsed HobbyLink Japan last 2022, I think, I found one. Honestly, this is the last piece for that page. No. Initially, when I searched for Cruise Chaser in Japan, or for BLASTY in HobbyLink Japan, it's not available. But there's this one day that I searched or browsed the link, the site, and luckily one kit appeared. One kit for this BLASTY appeared, and I immediately clicked the add to cart and pay for the purchase of this kit. And right now there's available BLASTY also in Shopee Philippines, but it's overpriced. Anyway, let's check this kit out and let's see what's inside. So the box art here shows the Cruise Chaser BLASTY logo, and we can see the titular model kit or mecha model, which is BLASTY. To be honest, I really love Moderoid, and I commend this company for making kits that are not usually done by other model kit companies like Bandai, Kotobukiya, or Aoshima. And Moderoid give chance for this anime or even computer game which has a mecha model included there in the games. They give chance for these characters to have a model kit, which is really nice for that Moderoid Good Smile company. So Cruise Chaser BLASTY is designed by Mika Akitaka for the computer game software developer Square for Japanese computers. So there we can see on the side of the box it says Cruise Chaser BLASTY, and also BLASTY there, another name here as Cruise Chaser BLASTY, and there, same as the box art. And the back of the box we can see Cruise Chaser there. It can transform by using interchangeable or replacement parts, and you can see the front view of this kit. To be honest, it looks like a G-bit from Gundam X. That's why I had an interest of buying this, due to the fact that it looks like the G-bits of the titular character also from Gundam X, the Gundam X Mecha. So there he has a shoulder cannon here, and it's a decent looking kit, to be honest. There's a shield, there's a beam saber, and it can transform. Okay. So let's open the box here. I already checked it before, and we can see that the manual is on the plastic also. So there's this tons of decals included for this kit, and the manual is really thick. So it's thick. Let's open this later, and first we check what's inside. So we have here black parts. So this is, I think, for the booster pack or the backpack. And we have here white parts for the armor pieces. We have here armor pieces for the legs, so it's all white. And we have here white parts along with gray parts here for the cannon parts. We have small rudder here for the shield and the manipulators. So there are interchangeable hand parts here. And we have here gray parts, gray pieces for the inner frames. And as I noticed, old stock of Moderoid kits has a dusty or sticky plastic packaging, so my hands are starting to get sticky now, and because of this plastic wrappings here. And we have here the shield parts here, the beam shield parts, the canopy on the chest, and the beam saber. So it's not like the beam saber from Bandai, which is elastic, but this one is brittle. It's the same like the ABS plastic or the clear plastic ABS here. We have here red parts for the feet and red parts for the booster pack. And we have here a not multi but pre-painted part there. Finally, we have here gray parts again for the inner frames and joint parts. Oh, it's not yet done. And last, we have here polycaps. Yes, these are polycaps. So as always, let's have a quick runner review and manual review here before we build the kit. So I'm very fascinated with this pamphlet here. We have here this BLASSTY, I don't know what's this, maybe this a discount coupon or for the installation instruction. It's like Windows PC here, it says here. So I think this is the link for you to download the game if you want. And there's this manga here. It's very interesting. Let's have a quick browse here first so we can see here BLASSTY. So there's this BLASSTY the gunner and the BLASSTY shooter. So if he transform into the plane mode, so he'll be the shooter mode. So we have here another kits here, and I hope Moderoid will make a kit for these characters like this Aggress, Bagress here. So these are decent looking characters also. Bubray, Crubray. So it's very nice. We have Cluster and Douglaster. Very nice looking kits here. And EDD and Double D, Elixon. And there are manga here and some blueprints for some of the characters or the mecha characters. Very nice, very cool, and I will keep this. And this is the instruction manual. It's a little smaller than the usual Moderoid manual, so we can see here color, as usual, color printout for the instruction manual. So we have here colored printout for the parts, and it's interesting here. Yep, these are colored printed, and you can see the transformation sequence if you want to transform the kit into a shooter mode. Okay, it's nice, very nice. And we have here lots of decals. These are decals for BLASSTY, and maybe I'll not use any of this because I'm not that fan of decal placing. Anyway, let's go to the runners review. So we have here small runners for runner F. So these are polycap. polycaps part, runner F. We have runner M for gray parts, inner frames, runner E. We have runner H and runner H, so we have two sets of runner H. We have runner J and another runner J, so we have two sets of runner J for the red colored runners for the feet, and for the booster, red colored runners also. This is runner K with pre-painted part there. We have runner G for the cannon pieces. We have runner I for the hand, so this is blue in color. We have runner O for the shield bits or shield parts, and we have pre-painted clear plastics here for the shield, for the canopy, and the beam saber. So we have black or dark. I don't know if it appears black in the screen, but for me it's like a matted black plastic here for the booster pack here. It's runner N and runner N. So we have two sets of runner N for these boosters. And for the white parts, we have here runner D, another runner D. So we have two sets of runner D. We have runner B here and runner A for the white parts, and finally we have here runner C for the white parts. And we have here rubber. I think this is for the Canon wiring, which is included here also in the kit. So let's build this kit and wait for my review in the future. This is Cameraman from Cameraman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye, God bless, and take care.